Despite all the craziness in crypto, especially the downward price action with Bitcoin and altcoins, lack of altcoin season, meme coins just going to zero, we actually have some bullish positive news long-term for crypto and Bitcoin. And again, if you've been watching the show, we talked about being patient until the end of Q2 2025 to see some nice sustainability in crypto. Make sure you stick around until the end and you subscribe with all alerts set to get more. Drop me a comment and like this video with your thoughts. Yes, the Trump tariffs have negatively impacted crypto. Yes, on March 4th, tariffs will officially be live to Canada, Mexico, and China unless there's some sort of compromise. And the markets reacted negatively towards this, crypto and stocks. But again, in my personal opinion, I think that all of the FUD regarding the Trump tariffs will essentially mellow out with both stocks and crypto. Right now, price is going crazy because of the news, and a lot of people are bearish. They think it's going to cause inflation. They think it's going to do all of these things. But in reality, we don't really know how this is going to impact the American economy long term. And I think if we just kind of wait this out a little bit, things will be okay. Primarily because of stories like this. Most of you know that Senator Loomis is very pro-crypto and pro-Bitcoin. And on February 27th, she posted this after yesterday's hearing. Because again, Loomis is going to different hearings because they're trying to find out fair guidelines when it comes to crypto. She said, here's what we learned. Most digital assets are not legally securities under the Howey test. This means that crypto doesn't necessarily apply to Howey. Howey is a very popular test the SEC likes to use that came out way back in the 30s, I believe, that indicated that orange groves were securities or acted as that. And you can't really apply something that was created in the 30s that worked or had to do with orange groves to a technology that wasn't even created at that time. Remember, in the 30s, we didn't even have fax machines. So this is good for crypto long term, basically indicating that crypto companies or just crypto in general may not be securities like the SEC said. She also said the US is behind other countries in creating laws for digital assets. You have to remember, places like Dubai are completely ahead of the US. Singapore, Hong Kong, Puerto Rico, El Salvador, even MiCA in the UK. MiCA is basically general guidelines for companies in the UK to essentially work within. The laws aren't super great when it comes to MiCA, but at least there's some sort of clarity. We don't really have anything in the United States of America. Under the previous administration, you couldn't even go in and register with the SEC as a crypto company, and you would just get sued. Look at Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken, OpenSea, Ripple. And last but not least, my favorite one, stablecoins will bring our payment system into the 21st century. I'll be very blunt with you. I do not like the discussions around stablecoins, and I really do think that we will be getting CBDCs, whether they were promised or not. Well, promised to not allow CBDCs to be in America. But overall, this type of news that we actually have lawmakers that are pro-Bitcoin, pro-crypto, especially someone that's trying to push through a federal Bitcoin reserve, actually talking about these things is bullish long term. And also you have to remember, the SEC has been dropping crypto cases and investigations like crazy. Gemini, OpenSea, Robinhood Crypto, rumors about Ripple soon. And the SEC will be taking a vote to dismiss the Coinbase case or not. And this is wonderful because with the Coinbase case, the SEC stated that 12 crypto assets were being sold as securities on the secondary market. Because that's exactly what Coinbase is, a secondary market. So overall, stay patient, focus on the bullish news, and plan accordingly.